to the Sauce and Gravy channel. I'm the Dippin' Dynamo, and today we are going to show you a pizza sauce for kids. Today we are doing a delicious pizza sauce. Here are the ingredients. You pour in with a spoon. Grab it, then you put it over the bowl and you dip it like this. Get a lot of that guy out. Get all of the can out. Fish out can. Alright, go in like this can. There you go. Now scrape the sides a little bit. Get all of the pizza sauce. Look how many it was now. Great. Now you lay that spoon on there, and then you pour all this in there. By 1 cup, pour all of this guy in. Okay. And then you take your spoon back and you scrape the sides to get all the rest. You sprinkle a little bit of this. This, can you see well? This. Sprinkle a dash of. A little more even. A little more even. You got that guy in. Then you pour a little bit of this. That one's just a dash. Stand up. Got a dash of this. You can put a dash of garlic, a dash of garlic, and finally a dash of this. You don't screw it, but you can only open this. And you Okay, so now you put this pack of sugar in. Just rip it open like this. Rip and you add the sugar in. Now you add a little bit of salt and pepper. Salt, there you go. A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Right, and a little bit of pepper. And now you stir everything. And you need to stir this for a total of 2 minutes. And here, my friends, is our out of this world pizza sauce. It is very, very good, and it has an excellent taste. And now we can put our delicious pizza sauce on our pizza. Swirl it around a little bit, and that's all you need. Swirl it a little more sauce, exactly like you want it. Right? Right, my friends. And if you want the sauce to be good, put it on that pizza and it'll be good, I'm sure. And now, my friends, press your comments below for this delicious pizza sauce. You would know it's good, but press that comment button or subscriber button on the bottom right side of the page. And you know what? I'll see you next time.